Ali here with H&H Cycles. Today we have this beautiful 2013 Harley-Davidson RoadKing CVO with just under 8,700 miles. Pristine condition. Got true dual Manson-Hines setup on it. Sounds amazing. You'll hear it in a minute. It is a Screaming Eagle 110 cubic inch motor, hence the CVO. Super clean bike. You will not find any with this low miles. Healthy motor, shifts as it should, sounds as it should. Good set of tires, oil change done to it. Does have a couple of scratches. You can see right here. That's just by sitting around in a garage. Other than that, whole body is pretty clean. Does come with two key fobs, two keys. Also, this is a hog watch which keeps the key fob in it. So all you need is just wearing this. This goes with the bike. Also, the owner's manual does come with covers as well. Luggage covers, very clean. It is a Bluetooth setup for the sound system. Works great. $86.37. Hear it? Rumble to it. Hard to find this clean bike. Make it yours before it's gone, man. If you're local, come check us out. We're in Romeoville, 572 West Taylor Road in Romeoville, Illinois. You will not be disappointed. And for more details, visit us at hhcycles.com, and thank you for watching.